Hello guys, this is Ubuntu VPS server. Check internet speed. Internet speed is 940 Mbps. Okay, now follow this step. Search on Google, Cloud Shell. Click on console. Click on activate Cloud Shell. Click to continue and please wait. Okay, now you need to enter this code. This code link in the video description. After paste code, press to enter. Okay, now processing. Please wait for finish it. Okay, it finished. Click on Web Preview, change port, enter 6080, change and preview. Okay, Ubuntu VPS is ready. Thank you for watching.